Hey guys, it is Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday, which means it is either going to be a subscriber Saturday or a sinking funds, paying bills, etc. So as you can see from my layout and the money on the side, that means that we are going to be stuffing some sinking funds and cash envelopes. We're going to be paying our bills and we're going to figuring out how much money that we actually made this week. Either side hustle or an actual job. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel because you would absolutely love my channel. I love interacting with people. I love meeting new people and, seeing their journey and everything. And also subscribing to channels that are newer to the community and everything. So I'm super excited about that. Also, I'm going to make an announcement that in the next couple weeks, I did accept a new job offer at my job that I have been at for years. It's a position that I've been wanting for a couple of years now, and I officially accepted it, I think Monday. Yeah, Monday. So it's very beneficial for me and my family, and it's going to be a different career change in the same field and everything, but I'm super excited. I think this is the best move for me and my family, and I really, really thank y'all for all the love and support and the future comments that I'm going to be reading. So yeah, if you want to check those out, because check me out and subscribe. There's going to be some awesome content coming up. There's going to be better, debt payoff. We're going to pay off the debt by chunks, hopefully. And, stuffing more in my sinking funds and everything like that. So if any of that interests you, consider subscribing, hit that notification so you can be notified every Tuesday and Thursdays for the weekly check-in, Tuesday for the money challenges, and Saturday for subscriber Saturday or stuffing the sinking funds. Now, as you can see that I already wrote down how much I got paid because this is actually my second take of, doing this video. So paycheck number 2, I estimated $798. This was pre-estimated like back in December when I was doing all these layouts. So I actually made $2,207 from this paycheck only because I did pick up a lot of night shift. So I did 6 night shifts within the week, and it was a lot. It took a lot out of me. It was very draining, but I really do like night shift, and it does pay off because it is, it's a different pay rate. It's different, pay shift diff and everything. So it does really do add up a lot. Now let's move on to the bills. So with the bills, we are going to put, for house, it's going to be $217. I usually save half at the very end and then half at the beginning and then pay the full amount, at the very beginning. So light is going to be $152, and the reason why it's so high is because Jared actually already paid me his part last week. So I'm just going to go ahead and pay that off, and I usually pay it with my credit card, with my Chase credit card. So then that means that $152 and then however much I was going to put in for Chase is the amount that I'm actually going to put towards that card. So I'm actually going to be putting $152 for the light bill and also $50 from Chase. So that's going to equal to $202. That's going to go towards the credit card. So insurance is going to be $50. Phone is going to be $50. American Eagle, which is my first credit card, which is my lowest credit card, is going to get $50. Chase is going to get $50. Capital One is going to get $84. And then car payment, we did pay that in full, which is $498. So we're going to go ahead and add all of that up real quick. So 217 plus 152 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 84 plus 498 will equals to $1,151 is how much I estimated it. So let me just make sure. 498. Actually, I'm going to cross 498, and I'm going to redo that because I already saved, how much did I say? I've saved $249 already in savings. So we're actually only going to be putting $249. Okay, so that kind of like messed up a little bit, but it's okay. All right, so let's try this again. So 217 plus 152 plus 200 plus 84 plus 249. So $902. So that is actually correct. So $902 is how much we are going to be putting towards bills. So $2,207 minus $902 is going to be $1,305. So $1,305. Now with this stack, we're actually going to be subtracting $500. So we have $805, and I will tell y'all exactly what we're going to be doing with the $805. So we are going to go to our sinking funds. And then with food, we are going to put $100. Gas is going to be getting $100, and we're just going to play with the $100. It was $60 for gas, but since gas is going up so high, we're going to figure out if $100 can last me for 2 weeks, or do I need to do like $80 instead? Something like that. Fun money, since I had a really good check, we are going to be giving us $100. And when you are watching this, I am most likely currently yard selling to resell some stuff off of eBay. Cushing funds, we are going to do, let's just do 150, because I think that would be a good one. Yeah, let's do 150. So then we have $655 left. And then sinking funds, we're going to figure that out after we stuff all of that. So the first thing that we are going to be doing is we are going to go ahead and stuff our little cash envelopes. So first off, we are going to do food, and then food's going to get $100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So food is $100. Gas is going to be getting $100. 2, 4, 6, and 8, and 100. 20, 40, 60, 8, and 100. And speaking of food, since I am filming this on Friday, we did go grocery shopping. So I actually do have to take some money out of food as well. So it's probably going to be, I think it's like $20 I spent. So we're just going to take $20. So we'll have like $80 left in food, which is fine. Fun money is going to get $100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that is that. And then I will get the $20 out of the food later off camera and everything. So moving on to our sinking funds. So this is paycheck number 2, and we're going to go ahead and do that. So medical is going to be getting, oh, and we also have, we're doing $200 in sinking funds this week. So medical is going to be getting $30. Car payment is getting $40. Renewal is getting $20. Special occasion will be getting $20. Vacation is getting $30. Home is getting $20. Christmas is not getting anything because we have the Ibotta. And then I will tell you an update on the total that we have, because we did just go Ibotta shopping while we were grocery shopping. Beauty is going to be getting $20, and Dobby, which is my dog, is going to be getting $20 as well. So we're just going to add all that up. So 30, 40, another 40, 30, 20, 20, and 20. So that is $200. So first off, we are going to be doing medical. And medical, I don't have anything planned as of right now. I think I have a dentist appointment coming in like September, but I don't really have anything else planned as of right now. So we have 20, 25, and 30. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, and 66. So $66. Moving on to car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to be getting 40, 20, and 40. $20, $40, $60, $80, $90. So $90 for car maintenance, which is good because while I am in Mexico next week or the following week, the very end of March, I did ask Jared to, go and do my gas or my oil while I'm gone. Renewals is going to be getting $20. And I do have a night shift coming up, so I'm probably going to end up finishing my hours that I need for my certification. So 20, 40, 20, 41, and 42. So $42. If I'm stumbling over words, it's literally 11 o'clock at night, you guys, on a Friday. And I need to get this filmed, get it edited, so it'll be ready for 8:30 in the morning on Saturday. Special occasion is getting 20. So 2, 40, 60, 80, and 1. So that is $100. I am probably going to put this towards probably the bridal shower is the next thing that's going to be up, or the beach trip that we're going to do. It's like a part 2 of the bachelorette party that we are going to be doing for the people who can't go to Mexico. So that is the next trip. Vacation is going to be getting 30, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And with the rest of like I think it's like $600 and something dollars, I am going to go to Mexico. So Mexico is going to be getting most likely $400 because I already have $600 saved plus this money. So I'm looking at 600 plus 400 plus whatever I have here. So about $1,100 or so to go to Mexico. And I am hoping that I don't spend all of that money because that is a lot of money to spend in Mexico for 7 days. I don't plan on it. I'm a very good budgeter. Like all the excursions is planned for, our dinner meal and everything. So we'll see. We'll see. And I will keep y'all updated. Trust me, there will be a very long weekly check-in on my whole thing. And I'm also going to be vlogging when I'm in Mexico. So that would be fun and very, it's going to be a really good memory for me if I vlog and everything. So I just put $30. A vacation is going to have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So $117. So I am going to be carrying, I think I'm going to carry, let me know how much I should carry cash because I have no idea. This is my first cruise and I have no idea what's going on, to be honest. Home is going to be $20. So that's 20 and 40. And we are pretty much saving for HOA fee that is going to be due in June. Christmas is not going to get anything, but we do have $5. But we also have, this is how much we have in Ibotta right now. $335 plus 5, so we're going to have $340. But you will also see that total, or this total, whenever we do the end of the month closeout. Which I do have a whole schedule of what I'm doing while I'm gone to Mexico. So I will be doing pre-planning and everything. So y'all, I will not miss a day. Next one is going to be beauty for $20. And that is going to be for beauty 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. So $44, and I'm actually going to put $200 right there for the total. And then Dobby, my dog, is going to be getting $20. 20, 40, and 45. So $45. Now, all we're going to do is add everything up. So we have $66 plus 90 plus 42 plus 100 plus 117 plus 40 plus 340 plus 44 plus 45. So we have $884 for sinking funds, which is really good. And we are going to put that right here, $884. So that is super good. I predict this is going to increase within the next few paychecks or in the future paychecks. So you want to be on the lookout for that. But that is it, you guys. So that was a very long video. We're about 16 minutes in. So we did a lot. I told y'all how much I made this week. We paid bills. We stuffed our cash envelopes. We stuffed our sinking funds. I let y'all know what we're doing with our leftover money. So that is pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I absolutely love doing the sinking funds. I love doing it whenever I get paid, and it's just fun to watch your video grow. So be on the lookout for Tuesday for a money challenge. So we are going to be stuffing that, and I think we're going to be starting a new challenge, and it's Disney themed. So y'all don't want to miss that. And then also we're going to be doing our weekly check-in as normal for Thursday. And then Saturday, we are going to be doing our eBay closeout payout. We're going to be stuffing our cash envelopes again because we did get paid for eBay for the month of February. And I like to save all of that money until the very end, so then we can stuff our envelopes. So I will leave all of that information in the community tab so y'all can be on the lookout for what days to expect a video from me. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.